Samsung has wasted no time in pushing out its first software update for the newly released Galaxy S25 series only a week after its official launch. The update, rolling out initially in South Korea and soon to reach other regions, addresses several key improvements. So what does it bring, and is it worth installing right away? The Galaxy S25 series officially launched on February 7, following its unveiling just a few weeks earlier at Samsung's January Unpacked event. As expected, the company quickly began delivering its first software update, which weighs in at approximately 585 megabytes. While this update isn't a major overhaul, it brings essential optimizations and fixes that could make a big difference in the user experience. The update's main focus is on security, replacing the December 2024 security patch with the latest February 2025 patch. Samsung's security bulletin notes that this update resolves over 40 security vulnerabilities, meaning users who prioritize device protection should definitely consider installing it as soon as it's available. Security patches are crucial, especially with growing threats to smartphones, and keeping your device up to date is one of the best ways to stay safe. In addition to the security improvements, this update also aims to boost the stability and performance of the Galaxy S25. Samsung has implemented changes that optimize various aspects of the phone's functionality. For example, improvements have been made to charging, call quality, and camera performance, though the company hasn't provided a full changelog. Even without a detailed list of changes, these behind-the-scenes adjustments are expected to make the phone run smoother overall, giving users a more reliable experience. Installing the update is a straightforward process. Simply go to the Settings menu, select Software Update, then tap on Download and Install. If you don't see the update right away, don't worry. It's being rolled out gradually, so it should be available on your device soon enough. The rollout is expected to reach various regions over the coming days, so keep an eye out for the update notification. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is its seamless update process. Unlike older devices where updates often required a full restart and disrupted usage, the S25 makes updates less intrusive. The phone installs updates in the background, allowing users to continue using their device while the update happens. Once the process is complete, all that's left to do is restart the phone to apply the changes. This system reduces downtime and makes the update process much more convenient for users. Samsung has built a reputation for rolling out timely software updates for its flagship devices, and the Galaxy S25 series appears to be following that tradition. Just like the Galaxy S24 series, which received a series of updates shortly after its release to address minor bugs and improve performance, the S25 is likely to see more refinements in the future. This consistent approach to software maintenance is good news for users who expect their devices to stay current with regular updates. So, should you install this update right away? The answer is yes. While it doesn't introduce new features, the security fixes and performance enhancements make it worth installing. Keeping your Galaxy S25 updated is one of the easiest ways to ensure your device runs at its best and remains secure. Samsung is likely to continue releasing updates for the Galaxy S25 series in the coming months, with further improvements and potentially new features on the way. Staying up to date ensures that your phone continues to perform well, and it also keeps your device protected from new security threats. If you want to keep up with the latest updates and tech news, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.